Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this ribbed glass design. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off today, I've got on my previous manicure, which is Holo Playing the Field. I've had this on for about a week, but it's still looking really good and I'm not quite ready to get rid of it, so we're going to be doing some nail art on top of it. And to get started, I'm going to be applying Matte Taco. Once the matte polish is dry, I'm going to go ahead and use a striper brush as well as Glossy Taco, and I'm going to start adding in some stripes vertically on the nail, going for kind of a ribbed glass design. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I had already had Playing the Field on for about a week, but this is just such a beautiful polish. I wasn't ready to say goodbye, and I was inspired by several manicures to give this a try. My inspiration was mostly with gel polishes, and that did give a little bit more of a dimensional look, especially the ones that were done with like a sculpting gel instead of a gel top coat for the glossy stripes, but I was pleasantly surprised how well this turned out with regular polish. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can have a look at how multi-chrome this polish is. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. This is, again, Holo Taco Playing the Field with a velvet magnetic effect. And this is probably one of my favorite polishes I've ever worn, which is why even after a week, I wasn't quite ready to take it off. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.